Are we live? I think we're live. Welcome everyone. Oh man, I'm actually nervous. Hang on. I'm actually nervous. It's been a while since I've been nervous for a stream, but I'm nervous. I need a drink. And don't worry, it's gonna happen. Welcome everyone. I am going to check the quality of the stream as I always do. And I'm gonna get things ready. This is gonna be funny. This is gonna be so funny. I'm gonna put the controller down. I'm all set. It took me a while to set it up, but oh man! And it's been a while since I had face cam. It's been a while. When was the last time I had face cam? It's been a while. It's okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna put the headset down real quick. I'm gonna tweet out the stream. You know the drill, and I'll get things ready. And I'll be right back. Actually, you know what? I can do it while you're with me on the phone. I was gonna say. Okay. Well. So what do I do from here? It's been a while. Would you believe that I'm nervous? I'm actually nervous. I don't know why. It's like I've never streamed before. It's true. I'm feeling like it's my first time streaming. I don't know why. Okay. I need to calm down. Calm yourself, Vloggy. Vloggy buddy's streaming. What do you do, man? No, this is not how it's done. No, 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 no. Like this. Okay, hang on. It's like I've never streamed before. It's true. I'm feeling like it's... Okay, that's me talking to myself, as I always do. I'm gonna quickly... It sounds good. It sounds good, but I'm gonna need feedback anyway, just in case. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh no. I said come laugh at me. That's all right. You can come laugh at me. Okay, we're good. I've tweeted it out. I think we're good to go. Hang on, I'm just gonna check the quality of the stream one more time. One more time. Yeah, seems to be okay. Seems to be okay. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Laugh at me. Okay, we're good. I've tweeted it out. We're good. I'm happy with the quality of the stream, I think. If I do say so myself. All right, I'm gonna go quickly get the stuff, and it's gonna happen. I'll be right back. Hang on. I'll be right back. I muted it and I forgot it on mute. I am so sorry. I have a tendency of when I walk away and I put the headset down, I like to mute it. So, so in case I fart, no, I'm kidding. It's not because I fart. You can hear me now, yeah? Yeah? And even the game audio. Hang on. Even the game audio, right? Yeah? Yeah? Sorry about that. Oh my goodness. I have a tendency of putting the volume down. Sorry about that. And muting it. So, we're pouring drinks right now. We're making the cocktails. Yeah, I wish. Okay, that's another one. I've got 3 set up now. There we go. Yeah, I muted it, so I put the headset down, and sorry about that. Stupid Fluggy. Wow, I'm drunk before I even started drinking. Nah. Shot number 29. Welcome, Jackhammer 2, and welcome, Dadarumimi, and welcome, Matt Queen. Sorry, I didn't even welcome you guys. I just acknowledged the problem with making shots right now. Okay, I'm getting them ready. All right, and here's what's going to happen. The moment I get damaged, I will pause the game right away. Your face. I'm a real boy. I'm a real boy. What was I saying? I'm going to pause the game. I take my shot. I update the counter. All right, that's how it's going to do. Damage. Hang on. It's this way. The camera's mirrored. So, is the image mirrored on my shirt? No, it's not. Not mirrored though. All right. So, so first I get damaged. Then I'll do the shot, and then I'll update the counter. That's how it is. What was I saying? Is the game too loud? Am I too loud? Is the game overpowering me or something? Let's keep pouring. I'm a real boy. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shots so far. I need to keep making more because of course it's not enough. And so far I'm not making a mess. I mean, just a teeny tiny bit. All right, I ran out of shot glasses, to be honest with you. I mean, I do have more, but they're so nicely packed. They're so nicely packed. I don't want to unbox them. We'll see if I have to. We'll see if I have to. Now, I ran out of Red Bull, as I was saying earlier. I don't have more Red Bull, but I do have Fanta Lemon. It's my favorite soda. So, yeah. Okay, I've got some more left. It's probably one or two shots left. So I'm going to keep it aside for now. And let's go. I think we're good to go. I'm just going to quickly wipe the mess that I made. Shut up. Now we're not. Now we're not. Okay, no, we're not. I am Dada. I am very good at Resident Evil. I am very good at Resident Evil. Okay, do not try this at home. I can handle a drink or 7 or 22. I am not gonna get drunk. Just so we're clear. Okay, this is just a nice challenge. All right, and that's it. That's all it's gonna be. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? So the drink for tonight is vodka Red Bull. I'm gonna show you the vodka. Okay, I just opened it and I clicked and I just opened it. Okay, vodka Red Bull, and then after how many shots do we have right here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll have around 11 right now ready. But should we need more? We might. I got the Fanta. Vodka Fanta. Are you guys ready? I'm a bit nervous. I have to admit, it's like I'm streaming for the first time right now. Maybe it's because of the camera in my face. It's been a while since I had the camera in my face. So, let's go. Okay, we're gonna do this on normal. All right, that's how good I am. Enjoy the cutscene, everyone.
A bizarre incident occurred in the outskirts of an American suburb called Raccoon City. It was later revealed that the terrible disaster had been caused by the T virus, a mutagenic toxin created by the international enterprise Umbrella Incorporated for use in bioweapon experiments. The Raccoon City Police Department's Special Stars Unit immediately began investigation into the affair. The case
No,
was
no
apparently
pants off.
closed,
And the reason
thanks
why I'm
to
wearing
the
pants,
efforts of
well,
star
shorts, I'm wearing
members
shorts,
Chris Redfield and Joe Valentine.
it's because I will stand up, you know, for stuff and stuff and stuff. And then there's the camera on,
The
and I'm not gonna
Umbrella
risk it.
Corporation's experiments were far
So,
from
yeah.
finished.
I'm gonna make myself comfortable, actually. See if I can sit there. Find a better posture. Like this, perhaps. Yeah.
What have we got here?
What's up, Leon? How you doing? Oh, in case you didn't realize, this is gonna be with cutscenes.
Guy's a maniac. Why'd he bite me?
Man, what a mess. What could have done this? What was that?
Thank you so much.
What
Hey,
are these things?
a retro gamer, a retro gamer. Hey, a retro gamer,
Alright,
welcome to the
that's
stream.
far enough.
Thank you so much for the compliment on the shirt. It was actually a gift. It was actually a gift
Move.
from an ex.
No!
I thought it was Grey Goose, to be honest with you, Jackhammer. I thought it was Grey Goose, but
What's up with that guy? That was
I don't know.
crazy.
You could be right, I could be right. I don't know. I won't argue with that.
Ammo here.
Wait! Don't shoot!
Get down! We can't stay out here. Head to the police
I'm actually
station.
wearing this
It'll be a
shirt
lot
because of the
safer.
whole Pokemon Go craze right now. That's why I'm wearing it. Lucy Cell, welcome! Thank you so much for stopping by and saying hi. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You do what you gotta do. Hey, Sean Slaughter, welcome. Welcome to the stream. You probably know what's going on right now. What's gonna happen, pretty much. Yeah?
And the whole place went
You probably know what's gonna happen.
Radio's out.
You see that up
You're
there?
a cop, right?
You see that up there? Hmm?
Yeah. First day on the job.
I got them already right here. Okay, I can't really turn the camera because it's the webcam, my
Mine's Claire.
iMac, so I can't really
Claire
do that.
Redfield. I came to find my brother, Chris.
I'll believe you, Jackhammer. I want to try that actually now. I'm curious. I want to try that. Is it expensive? Grey Goose is expensive, my goodness.
Hey, could you open the glove box?
Sure. There's a gun inside.
Better take it with you.
See ya, Lucy. Thank you so much for hanging out. Bye. Let's do this. Now I'm not gonna be paying attention to chat, okay? not gonna be paying attention, but I need to focus more on the game. Last time I got 22 because I was looking at chat. All right, you guys were distracting me. All right, I can easily avoid around 5 shots last. I could have easily avoided 5 shots last time. All right, so I can do this. $79, is that not expensive? Is it cheaper in Spain? I don't know. Is alcohol cheaper in Spain? I should know.
Claire!
I dated a Spanish girl
I'm okay.
who loved vodka.
Head to the station. I'll meet you there.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna grab my controller now. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Come on, Ken. Come on. Did you hear that? Did you hear my neck going? Let's do this. Alright, I'm gonna... Oh yeah, I also forgot to say that I'm gonna do the unlimited demo thing, okay? Just so we're clear. I'm gonna be doing that. Now you over here, and you over... No! No! Already! No! No! My goodness! You see what you get? You see what you get, Vloggy. You see what you get when you try to be... Alright, here we go. Wow, so soon! So soon! Ah. Tasty. Okay. Bing! Oh my goodness. Wow, I just started. I just started. Oh man, I don't believe this. But to be honest with you, I need stop laughing, Dada. I know you're mocking me right now. I want to make sure that I'm gonna do the unlimited ammo thing. There we go.
Freeze!
Stop laughing, Dada.
What are you doing here?
Hold your fire!
No,
I'm a
I
human.
did not do that on purpose. You know, it didn't even cross my mind to do one on purpose just for a start. No, I didn't. No.
Sorry
It
about
wasn't an overreaction. It was real. No, I'm upset.
thought
I actually
you were one
wanted
of
to get
them.
really far in the game with 0 shots
What's
to
going
for you,
on
so
in
you
this
guys be
town?
like, oh come on, this is getting boring. I wanted that to happen, honestly.
I don't know.
That's okay. Wow, it burns.
By the
I think
time
I may have
noticed
not
something was
diluted it
wrong,
enough, but it's
The
okay.
entire city
It's okay.
was infested with zombies.
This is not a speed run. I can take my time to kill zombies actually, so even if it takes me an extra 5 minutes to shoot all the zombies, so at least I don't get bitten at least once, I should start doing that. I should have gotten the shotgun from there actually. Nah, never mind. What about these guys? Yeah. You see? This is what I mean. Don't you dare stand up again. Because even if he's lying down and I get bit, it still counts as damage, alright? It still counts as damage. Come on. Oh, you don't need to kill this guy, I think. Oh, I'm so nervous. Whew. Is everything okay? The audio, you can hear me okay? Yeah? Good? I'm paranoid. I'm a perfectionist. I want everything to be okay. See, I'm gonna take some time here to actually kill all. Why is there no auto aim? Why is it not auto aiming? No. No. Oh, hang on, look at that. There we go. So my point is, if Leon gets hurt, Vloggy Buddy gets hurt. What time have you got, guys, over there? It's 1:23 a.m. right now, over here. Look at him. Look at him. I want to do the dodge here, but I don't want to risk it now. I don't want to risk it. I don't care. I don't want to risk it. Wow. In the afternoon? Ah, PM. Okay, that's good. That's good, Dada. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna kill all of these. I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it. No! No! So freaking cheap. Did you guys see that? Hang on. That is so cheap. That's my bad. I should have kept more distance. That's my bad. Ugh! Oh my goodness. This is happening so soon. My goodness. This is all happening so soon. It's okay. It's okay. I can handle it. Ah! Good stuff. While I'm here, I'm actually going to pour the rest of them as well. So I'll have them ready as well. Okay. Okay. Shot number 2. Yeah. Shot number 2. Come on, that was so cheap. Hey, Martin, welcome. 1:23 a.m. in Poland. We're on the same time zone, you and me. The reason why I didn't do the dodges, sorry, because I didn't want to get damaged, and I got damaged anyway. Wow, wow. No, 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 no. Shot 2 on purpose. You think it was on purpose? No, it wasn't on purpose. I kid you not. No. Brad, take that. Do you guys want to change costume? Would you like me to change costume, or should I just leave it as a default? What would you like to see? Hmm? Wow, wow, wow. Would you like me to change the costume or not? Would you like me to change the outfit? I'm assuming they're sleeping or... Who's sleeping? Who's sleeping? Oh yeah. Of course they're sleeping. I'm gonna take this from here. I already took 2 shots. I'll change the costume. Dada said it first, so we'll do it. Let's change. We'll change. We'll change.
Oh, man.
Who are you? Oh, you must be the new guy. Leon.
I don't need to take the herb. Not yet, at least.
Sorry, but it looks like your party has been cancelled.
What happened?
About
Like
2
the
months
herb,
ago,
man. I see what you did there.
there was
Like the
this
herb,
incident
man. How do you feel about it? I'm
involving
good.
zombies
I'm good, Dad. I'm gonna be a good even
a
after
mansion
22.
located in
Wow,
the
at this rate,
outskirts of
I am
the
gonna
city.
reach 22. I'm worried. I'm
Chris.
actually worried.
And the other STARS members discovered that Umbrella
What's
was
behind,
behind everything. They risked their lives to reveal the truth, but no one believed them. Not long after that, all this started to happen.
Hang in there.
Don't worry about me.
I'm kidding.
Just rescue the survivors in the other rooms. Here, take this key card. You should be able to unlock the doors in the hall with this. Now go. But just go.
The gun is empty. He's bluffing.
Fine. But I'm coming back for you. Just hold on.
Let's go. You know what scares me now? The liquor. I need to run past the liquor. And that's the thing, huh? The more I drink, the less I'm gonna be careful, I think. No, I don't need to use the computer now. And I started the stream by saying that I'm good at Resident Evil 2. I'm already at 2 shots. I'll make some room. Look at him. He's trying to intimidate me. I'm actually worried that he might hurt me. Run, buddy, run! Ha ha! In your face! In your face, yes, it is fantastic, the music on the whole. And if you look it up on YouTube, there's actually some good remixes of that. If you look it up and do some good searches, I found some really good ones. Actually, sometimes I feel like listening to it, you know, and I just play it on a 10-hour loop. What? Did I just say that? But it's true. I listen to a lot of soundtracks. I hope they keep the music very similar. I don't expect it to be the same, exactly the same. I don't expect it to be like that, but I want it to be very similar, a good remix of it, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Now then. There we go, and kill them all. Kill them with fire. Shooting zombies all day long. Shooting zombies, what I said. What? I tried to make a joke. Shooting zombies all day long. Shooting zombies while I sing the song. Any more? Nope. Pick up the herbs. Oh, we're gonna change the outfit, are we? Yeah. Let's change the outfit now. This goes down, this goes up. Alright, let's change the outfit. You guys vote. Which outfit would you like to wear? Would you like me to wear? The baseball cap one? Or, which one? Which one would you like me to choose? Baseball cap or the jacket? Baseball bat or the jacket? Baseball. Whoever says it first in the chat. Whoever says it first in the chat. The only reason why I like changing these costumes is he holds his gun like this. And I like that. I like that. I'm so tempted to have another one just for fun, but no. I need to get damaged first. Leather jacket, let's go. Leon is taking his pants off. Look at this gun now, the way he's holding on. Like a boss. Let's go. Ooh, we're agreeing here. Everybody wanted the jacket. Actually, I was gonna go for the baseball cap. That's good that we're all agreeing here. It's nice. Is this an herb, actually? No, it's not. I always thought it was an herb. Let's go. Nope, nope. It's most, yeah, in real life, yes, of course. But I love the style. Yes, I know it's very impractical. Yes, Jack. I really do that. I know that. But it's kind of intimidating. Unless, like you are aware, that's very impractical. And it's a cool style. Like, yo! I like that. Anywho. Maybe I like it because it's different. I don't know. I can't wait to get the Magnum. It's gonna be a while, but... Oh, it's faster! Yeah, I forgot it's faster. It should be faster. Yeah, that's good. I love it. I like that. faster. Leon!
Leon!
It's good to see you're still among the living. It looks like we're not gonna find your brother here after all. There's no reason for us to stay any longer than necessary. Let's split up, look for any survivors, and get out of here.
Right.
One last thing. Here's a radio. Take it.
Yes. It's
That
the
way
same
we
thing
can
with
keep
my
in
bow and
touch if
arrow,
anything
actually.
happens.
You know, my teacher, I like to call him my sensei, because he calls himself the sensei, actually, but anyway. He kept telling me, like, you're not getting the pose right, and it's just a teeny tiny bit off, but he wants it to be perfect. So I understand. I hear a zombie here. If I don't take him out now, I'm gonna forget about him, and then I'm gonna get... He's gonna make me have a shot, so no. No, I won't. No, I won't. I think there'll be plenty of time for me to take shots later, so that's why I'm not... I'm dying to have another one, actually, but no. No, because there's gonna be moments in this game where I wished I'm not taking a shot, but I'm gonna have to, you know? So that's alright. You know what I'm gonna do? Gonna put some stuff in the box. So this goes in there. Actually, hang on. This goes in there. This goes in there, and this goes in there. You see how OCD I am? I need to have everything. Health items up there, key items and weapons down there. It's who I am. I just want to be clear that if the zombies grab me and the windows here, doesn't count as damage, okay? I just want to be clear. I don't think they're going to get me anyway, but just so we're clear. But if Mr. Liquor gets me, hug the wall, 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 hug the wall. No! But it doesn't count. I don't count this. This is just... This doesn't count, guys. This doesn't count. Do you have a... But is there something else? Infinite health... No, 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 no. I was actually scared. I was genuinely scared about that one. No, there's no infinite health. No, there's no infinite health in this game. Not in this version, anyway. You mean shoot bow and arrow, yeah, Jack? Shooting bow and arrow. That's what you remember to do. Do I need to put anything in the box? Not yet. Even if it was unlimited health, actually. I'm just counting times I'm getting damaged anyway, so... Oh, by the way, if I die, I stop. Okay? If I die, I rage quit. Did I pick up the key? Yes. I'm not starting over, of course. carbine? Okay, excuse my ignorance here, Jack. What's a carbine? I have no idea. Whew. It's been a while since we had a shot, huh? Actually, those should be still 0, huh? Because those two, I mean, those were 2 cheap shots. Come on. Those were 2 cheap ones. I should still be at 0 right now. That's what I really wanted to do at first. Like, disappoint you. Like, come on, get bit. And I'll be like, you see how good I am? Yeah, that's how I wanted to be. Take a shot. I want to be still at 0 by now, so I could piss you guys off. But it's not what I had in mind. Well, it's not what I had in mind happened. I'm rambling. Let's go. I'm doing certain stuff on autopilot. Sometimes I'm forgetting if I picked up certain items. No, nobody has fountains in the police station, actually. The thing is this. The police station in Raccoon City... 1, 2. Oh, yeah. 1, 2. Oh, yeah. The police station in Raccoon City was actually originally an art museum. That's why. You see? So that's why it's all nice and fancy. Vloggy, ever saw those rifles at fair? When if you got all those targets, you get a prize? I want one of those. That's awesome. I know how to shoot with those, actually. Actually, each time we go at a fair, I impress my friend so much because I'm really good at aiming. So I hit all the cans every single time. Or pop the balloons or whatever it is. I always do that and I always win the prize and stuff. People are like, whoa, you had like 15 shots in that gun and you hit 15 targets. It's like 100 out of 100 percentage rate. So I'm really good at aiming. That's when I went for archery and I thought it was the same thing. I thought that what I know in guns, in aiming guns, I could apply for archery, but it wasn't the case. It was not the case. Oh man, definitely not the case. First of all, when you shoot with a gun, you know, the projectile just shoots straight. Okay? With an arrow, it goes down. So yeah. But I'm sure you don't need to learn that from me. I'm sure you know that already. But yeah. I know which guns you're talking about. Rifles anyway. Not guns. If I say the wrong word, you're gonna make fun of me. Okay, mix it up. Guys, we are 1/4 out of the way at the police station. 1/4. The thing with these camera angles, as much as I love them, you don't know how far he is from you. So, yeah, I love the camera angles. People complain about the camera angles, but I love them. I love that sense of feeling that you don't know what's around the corner because of the stupid camera angle. You're walking towards the camera. You don't know if there's a zombie in front of you. I love that. People complain, but I love it. There he is. At this point, yeah, I know how far he is because of the camera, but sometimes you can't really tell. Okay, you... I should still be at 0 shots. Dang it. How lame. I'll put this down here and I'll take these actually. And I'll put this here as well. No! No! What the? Sorry if I shouted in your ears, guys. Sorry. In your face. There's another one here. Do you guys know that if I don't kill these zombies and I just turn off the fire, these zombies will disappear? Now run. If I get hit by crows, it's a cheap shot. So come on. Come on. Run, Forrest, run! I can't get hit. Once I was at a fair and one of those at BBS. Really? Wow, that's interesting. I didn't know that was a thing, actually. I didn't know that was a thing they could do. Really? They don't do that here in Malta. Hey, Luke, welcome! Why are you still up, Luke? Welcome, buddy. You probably know what's going on right now. If you look at me playing and what it says up there, you see what's going on. Each time I get hit, I'm having a shot. Each time I get bit, each time I get hit, whatever. Whatever, man. Ooh. No, I'm sure he probably corrected it without even telling them. Yeah? No, it's not. No, here it's not. Here they gave you a very cheap gift, a cheap price. So whether you win or not, it really doesn't affect them because the gift is incredibly cheap. You're the boss, Jack. You're the boss. Wow, I'm feeling hot. Can you imagine if I finished the game without even getting hit anymore? Just two. I would laugh so much at every one of your faces, like, haha, in your face. You thought I was gonna drink 22 and I only had 2? Yeah, right. Guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, if any of you are watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to do so. I'm fun, I think. I think I'm fun. Let's go. I got the things, yeah? Let's go. Hey, instant Weskerade! That's so awesome! That's so awesome! My first... No, it's not my first raid ever. It's my second raid ever. How cool! Oops. How cool! Look at all the people! Look at all the people! Let me just welcome everyone. Instant Death, Cheerful, Umbrella Agent, V11. Is that 5, 6, 7? That's 7. Sapphire, Nuka, Stephen, ZFC Fox, Liz. So awesome. Thank you so much, Matt. Thank you so much. You guys don't know what's going on, do you? Or you do? Do you know what's going on right now? I get oops, hang on. Mirrored. I get damaged. I take a shot and I update the counter. That's what's going on. I'm all about that life. Hey, thank you so much, Matt. Thank you so much for the raid. You guys are awesome. I was told that you guys are awesome from a very reliable source. Matt is awesome. Did you finish the game, Matt? Did you finish the game? Because I was watching, and as far as I remember, you were pretty behind. Or did you die? Tell me. Welcome, Ricardo. Welcome. We are halfway out of the police station, according to my calculations. Okay, I'm gonna put this down here. Let's go. Oh, the pressure now. Everybody's watching. The pressure is gonna kill me. Hey, Liz. Irving. I should still be at 0. Guys, come on. Jack, tell them. Dada, tell them. I'm still supposed to be at 0. Come on, it was very cheap the way I died. Hang on, what am I supposed to do now? I go here. Not died, got hit. What am I saying? I'm rambling. The way I got hit these 2 times, they should still be at 0. One of them, I just walked into a zombie at the very, very, very beginning. Oh, you finished it. That's so awesome. Proto Sam, welcome, buddy. Welcome. You probably see what's going on right now with the shots number thing up there. Yeah, should still be at 0. How cool, Matt. You did it. Wow. So cool. Thank you so much for the sub, Umbrella. Thank you so much. Hey, Shala Shaska. I'm trying to say your name right. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'm having vodka Red Bull. I'm having shots. I'm gonna show you one. They're over here, look. They're over there. I've got like, how many have I got here? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 9 and I know that's not enough. And I had 2 over already. I know that's not enough, but I got more. I've got plenty more actually. Ta-da! I didn't even have much. Look at that. Look at that. These shots are tiny, you know? So, yeah. Let's see. Let's see. It should still be a 0, that count. I'm so annoyed. Because I'm good at this game. Guys, quick reminder, do not try this at home. Try it at your friends. No, do not try this. I can handle my drinks and I'm good at Resident Evil, okay? Just so you know. Just saying. Yeah, good at Resident Evil. I got hit. The very, very start. Such an idiot. Thank you so much, Ricardo. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. No! For some reason he let go of the aim. I don't know why he did that. Let's get out of here. Course 35, and that's very impressive, man. That's so impressive. And you know what impresses me the most, Matt? You know what impresses me the most? When did you play that game? That was awesome. When was it the first time you played the game? Matt, tell everyone. When was it the first time you played the game ever? Was it like 3 months ago? The first time you ever played that game? You got so good in such a short amount of time. I love that. Nice try, sucker. Nice try. Usually he gets me, huh? Nice try, sucker. Hey, Francesco Colero, welcome! Welcome, buddy. Welcome to the stream. Quick reminder of what's going on. I'm taking a shot each time I get bit by a zombie. Or damaged, because there will be monsters here that will slice me up. In fact, that's what worries me the most, huh? There are some monsters that do combo damages. Like, for example, William. He goes like this. He's got 4 hands, okay? And he goes... like that. And I want to count that as 1 hit because there's no way he can get damaged with 1, you know, only. But no, last time I played the I was like, no, that counts as 2 or 3, whatever it was. Okay. I'm rambling so much. Yeah, I played Ari back in 1996, ZFC Fox. I did, but I'm still playing. You know what the best part is? Okay, hang on. You know what the best part is? I played it in 1996 at an arcade. There was a PlayStation, one of those PlayStation setups. The PlayStation setup with the TVs and 2 controllers, and there was Resident Evil on. I remember. I'm like, oh, I want to try this. I heard it's so scary. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my goodness. That was a genuine scare, guys. Better luck next time, buddy. Hey, Ali. I don't know. I don't think I don't think I said hi to you. Sorry if I'm rude. There's nothing I need from here, actually. I don't know why I'm here. Inventory stuff. No, I'm good. There's nothing I need from there. Let's go. No, Juan Pablo, you're not late. You are not late. Look at the counter. Only 2. Only 2. Okay. I think you're early, actually. You are early for the show. Or maybe you're just right on time. Okay, I need to handle the dogs here. The dogs are crazy. Okay. Take that, sucker. I want to be patient because... Okay, so it takes 2 hits. Listen. He's still running, but he's not coming. He's expecting me to get out in the corridor. Or maybe if I'm patient, he will show up. I don't know. I'm scared. And I think there's 2 of them, actually. I'm worried. That might be 2 of them. There's 2 of them. I'm sure there's 2 of them. I'm gonna get damaged here. I don't want to get damaged. They're waiting for me to show up. And that's what's gonna happen. Okay, 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 okay. No! I saw that coming. You see, the game waits for you to get outside the corridor, so you get attacked from both sides. There's no way around that. There's no way around that. What's going on in chat? Vloggy will get drunk, find out this episode of Vloggy Buddy's life. He's a beautiful man. Who? Okay, time for another shot. I'm sorry, I'm trying to put this off, but... Here we go. You see that? You see that? Here we go. Ah. Good stuff. Alright, there's a possibility I get damaged one more time, actually. Oh, I didn't update it. Hang on. Thank you, Jack. Reminded me. Carl Fennec! Carl Fennec is laughing at me! Stop it! Everybody, welcome Carl Fennec. Everybody, hashtag Carl. I know him. He's a I was gonna say private friend of mine. He's a personal friend of mine. Alright, there's a good chance I get hit again one more time here because there's still 2 dogs running about. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, hang on. What's going on? No! Wow. It's getting fun, isn't it? Hmm? It's getting fun. Whoa! Wow. This is amazing. Oh my goodness. Hey Chase, welcome. Welcome. Oh my goodness. Hey Nuka, I don't know if I said hi to you. I'm getting confused now. So many people here. Sorry. Another one. Oh my goodness. That's 5. Okay. Okay. Run, buddy, run. Oh, I'm damaged. Look at that. Ah, haha, nice try, doggy. Look at me, I'm damaged. I'm on red caution. Nice, nice, good game. I have no idea why, but... Alright, let's go. Wow, 5. Hey, Cheerful, I don't know if I said hi to you. I'm forgetting. Sapphire, did I... Alright, let's go. Don't die, buddy. Yeah, it's a genuine concern, actually. It's a genuine concern. Guys, if you're not subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe because this is what I do. This is how I roll. Okay, I put the controller down. We're gonna lie down and we're gonna lie down. Sit back. I have to go buy more shots. No! No, card. Card. Dun dun dun. I just opened this actually. Hey Francesco, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Who are you?
Ada Wong.
I'm not gonna need that more
And
than a
what are you
bottle.
doing
Matt,
here?
come on.
I'm
I'm looking for some guy named Ben. He's one of those reporter types.
I'm gonna put the empty glasses on the side, actually.
I heard he was locked up in the cell block, only there's a wrecked car barring the entrance.
I got 6 left
I've been
before
trying to find another way inside.
before I have to make more.
If we work together, we can move this thing.
Give me a hand here, will you? I don't know if I told you this already in other streams, but did I tell you that there are areas in Resident Evil Outbreak in the police station that are accessible in RE Outbreak and they're not accessible in this game? For instance, this garage. I can't go any further, but in an Outbreak you actually open that garage. That's so fantastic. I love that. So many areas in Resident Evil Outbreak that you can access in the police station that you don't in this game. I love that, and I think there's gonna be more of that in the Resident Evil 2 remaster, remake, not remastered, remake. Ricardo, I won't give you the bottom. No. I would like to know actually from everyone in chat, is it expensive to buy a bottle of this in your country? I would like to know, like, which country you live in and how much it costs to get one of those. Are you wait for it? Hashtag Ada wait. Ada wait.
Ada, wait!
Thank you, Francesco. Ada wait. Okay, let's go. Yeah, you can really check out a lot of areas in the Arts report. Exactly, Matt. Exactly, and I love that so much. I love that so much that there are areas that you get to explore. $15. Okay, that's something like that here in Malta as well.
You must be Ben,
I think.
right?
Sometimes I buy stuff
Get
and I don't
up,
even know how much they cost.
now.
My mom hates me for that.
What do you want? I'm trying to sleep here.
Juan Pablo, that's
this
so
the
funny.
Ben, you told the city officials that you knew
You know, the best
something
part is when I'm
about
streaming
what's been
and, for
going
example,
on,
Matt
didn't
is
you?
streaming,
What did you tell them?
I'm not gonna say I hate myself, but I'm
And
kind
who
of
the heck are you?
mad that
trying to
I'm
find
streaming and
my
he's streaming
boyfriend.
because he's not
His
here in
name
my
is
stream. Like,
John.
I
He was
want him to
working
be
for a
here in my
grand
stream.
office
I'm not
based
talking
in
about
Chicago,
selfishness. I'm talking
but he
about him
suddenly
being cool in my
disappeared
stream.
6
Like, he's
months
cool.
ago.
I want him in my stream.
I
That's
heard
what
a
I
rumor
mean.
that he's here in the city.
I don't know anything. And even if I did, why would I want to
Carl
tell
is
you?
funny. He's from Malta and it's the same price. Exactly the same price.
Okay, I say we leave him in there. Does anyone know where they put the key to this cell?
I have it right here, officer.
officer.
But I'm not about to leave this cell. Those zombies aren't the only things crawling around out there.
I hate the William Roar. The William Roar is so
Like
lame.
I said, I'm not leaving this cell.
I hate that. I hate that so much. It's so
Get out of
amateurish.
here before you lead it right
Now the
to
Nemesis roar is
Hey,
fantastic.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm the
I love
only
that.
cop left alive in
I
this
love that.
building.
What?
Look, if you want to live, then you're gonna have to leave with me.
But do you even know how to get out of the city? There's a kennel in the back of the building. Inside the kennel is a manhole. Go through and it'll lead you to the sewer entrance.
He's so sweet,
be
Matt.
easy.
Oh
All
man,
right,
thank you so
I'm
much.
going.
I was actually watching another streamer earlier, and he was talking against raids. He's like, I don't appreciate raids. He's like, it doesn't work. Please don't raid me. And it's a guy who has like about 8,000 subs, and he had about 80 people watching him. I don't know. Anyway, it's weird. The streamer that I'm talking about. Each time he gets trolls, because he plays Minecraft, and Minecraft attracts kids, and kids sometimes are jerks, okay? Sapphire, I'm from Malta. I'm from Malta. It's in the Mediterranean. It's a teeny tiny island. I'll explain exactly where it is. In the Mediterranean, you know, there's Italy, and then there's Sicily right beneath Italy. Now, underneath Sicily, there's a teeny tiny island. I'm on that one. I am drinking vodka Red Bull right now. As soon as I run out of vodka Red Bull, I'm gonna have Fanta. Fanta Lemon. I'm gonna show you the bottle actually. I should have put it in the fridge. Because the bottle is sweating big time. The bottle is sweating. Like Fanta lemon. It's my favorite soda. Do you guys call it soda? We call it soft drink in my country. But anyway, I should put it in the fridge. Should I put it in the fridge? Whatever. Never mind. What was I saying? Yeah, I was talking about Malta. Teeny tiny island. Thank you so much. I'm gonna try again. Shaska. Stop trolling, card. Yeah, I was thinking about that streamer. So Minecraft attracts a lot of kids, and kids can be jerks sometimes. And he has a lot of trolls. He gets trolls on a regular basis, and he doesn't even give them a warning. Like, okay, I'm gonna get rid of these actually, because I don't want to get hit. Come on, spider. Don't be shy. So close. So, as I was saying, as soon as he gets some trolls, he doesn't give them a timeout or a warning. He just insta-bans them right away. Right away. There's no fooling around, okay? If you trolled me once, you're not gonna listen after one warning, alright? So he just bans right away. And he goes, bye, have a great time! And I love that so much. Bye, have a great time! And he goes, I know you love hearing it, but I don't think you want to get banned. I love that so much. He goes, bye, have a great time! Those Maltese, you sound like a mix of Italian and French. Ooh, pretty cool. Oh, I think I went to this room for nothing. I should have gotten the things. Oh, man. Never mind. Carl is not very familiar with the internet lingo. I love this part. Hang on. I love this part. He's going to introduce himself. He's going to be very polite, and he's going to shrug.
My name's Leon.
Like,
I'm with the RPD.
how rude is that? How rude is that? Hey, Matt. My name is Vloggy. I am from Malta. And Matt goes,
You think we can get
Like, I
upstairs
don't care.
through the shaft?
I'm sorry,
Maybe
Matt, you were
we'll
talking. No,
go and
as I was
check.
saying, Carl, trolling is like when people are buttholes on the internet. Like they try to, you know, how do you explain trolling? How do you explain trolling? When I was in the US, when I was in San Francisco, and even in Vegas, I got to try. Hang on. No! You guys ready? Are you guys ready for more? Yeah? Yeah, I'm looking at chat. People are talking about grape Fanta and stuff. Yeah, in Vegas I tried grape Fanta. So many flavors. Vanilla Coke. Vloggy power, yeah. Look at my power going up by 1. Shot, yeah. There it is. Okay, here we go. One more scream. Yeah, I would call them internet smartasses, kind of. All right. Let's just say, for instance, I don't know. Something's wrong with my stream. I don't know. I can't talk properly. For instance, I have a lisp, or I don't know, my audio's crap, or I don't know, stuff like that. They would start making fun of certain things. Yeah, being buttholes. That's what I mean. Yeah, but there's internet jokers and internet jokers. Like, for instance, like Juicebox, for instance. I love Juicebox. He trolls, but you know he doesn't mean any harm. He's just trolling to be funny. You know, that's one thing. You troll to offend, that's something else. And I won't tolerate that. Jackhammer. I knew you were going to think that because I made that funny. Yeah, so when I was in Vegas, I tried a lot of exclusive flavors of Coke and Fanta and stuff. And I was asking them, like, can I buy this anywhere else in the world? They're like, no, it's exclusive to the Coca-Cola store. It's in the Strip. I think you know what I mean. And right next to the Coca-Cola store, there's also the M&M store. And I got to try so many awesome M&Ms in that store. Mint, coconut, I think I had almond, peanut, so many awesome ones. And again, I asked, like, can I buy them from anywhere? They're like, no, they're only exclusive to this store. No, I want to live in Vegas. Vegas is awesome, huh? Carl, let's go to Vegas. Carl, let's go to Vegas. Man, chat is so awesome. Chat is so... I want to read chat all the time, but if I keep reading chat, I need to ignore chat for a bit, because if I keep focusing on chat, I'm going to get damaged again. And 6 shots, guys. 6 shots. You know how I'm missing the stream? True. Where's True? Okay, Stephen. Drive safe, buddy.
Leon,
it goes okay.
can you
Of course
hear
he
me?
does.
Ada,
Did you find
find
anything?
anything?
Hey, Vloggy, you also have a bay in
Right
chat?
here.
A bay in chat? No, no. I get the reference. No, I don't have a bay in chat. Well, she may be here.
Hey, I can't reach
She
the
may be here,
ventilation
but she
hole.
lurks.
I'm going to have to find another
Hey,
way around.
Varro!
I'll
Varro's
catch
my
up with
bay.
you later.
Varro's my bay.
Ada, wait!
Hey, Ada, wait, did you guys hear that? Hey, Ada, wait! Leon lagged. I may have a bay in chat. But if there is bay in chat, no, not in chat. If she's here, she lurks. Because you can still watch, if I'm not mistaken, and correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm mistaken, you can still watch streams without having a YouTube account, right? Is Ricardo leaving? I'm going to... Okay, Ricardo, thank you so much for stopping by, buddy. Thank you so much. I appreciate you being here. Okay, I was gonna get these out. Yeah, I was saying, I think you can still watch YouTube gaming without having an account whilst logged out. You can do that, yeah? And if Bay is watching, if there's a Bay that's watching, she probably doesn't have an account, just, you know what I mean. I don't think she's here though. Bishop plug, knight plug, plug, plug. What type of plug should I insert? Hmm? Anyway. But I don't think she's here. But I know she's been here. She lurked. Anyway, enough about Bay. Wesker laughing. Wesker Lee. Now getting the Bay hype. Okay, I'm not gonna need to go through here anymore. No, I actually do. Yeah, that's what I was referring to. How cool would it have been somebody to modify the game to edit it and just change the name? Francesco, my answer to that question is, well, not exactly. Yes and no. Yes and no. So far yet so close. So close yet so far. Oh man. Okay, Francesco is Maltese. Francesco's Maltese, I was going to say something. Francesco Maltese, I'm going to say a Maltese expression. Ande hafna mandi shay. Okay. Just so for everyone's benefit, it means I have a lot and I have nothing. Time for another one. Time for another one. I want to show you something actually, guys. I have 2 sizes of shot glasses, by the way. Let's move them. I have 2 shot glasses, 2 sizes. You see that? One is bigger than the other, but they pretty much contain the same amount, just so we're clear, okay? Just so we're clear. Because I tried it with water earlier, just so we're clear. I tried it with water. Shot number 7. Yeah, here we go. and put the thing up there. I'm actually enjoying this now. All right, Francesco says he understood. That's what he said. All right. Oh, man. I'm sweating. All right, here we go. No! The thing is this, Sean, the thing is this. This is kind of my 1K celebration. And, you know, when you celebrate, you drink like, you know. But since I can't offer my subscribers drink, I'm going to drink all of them for you. This is what this is all about. Yeah? Hey, Hunter, welcome. Welcome to the stream, buddy. I don't think I've seen you here. So, you must be, you might have just arrived. Welcome. Shut down floor. There was a time. There was a time, instant death. There was a time. There was a time when shot 10 was floor, but no. No. Let's go. Shot for shot. Let's go. I'm trying to think. Oh, well, I have so many ideas. Like for 2K, for 3K, 4K, 5K. I have so many ideas what to do when it comes to streams and these kind of exciting moments. One of them involves shaving my head, actually. Maybe 10K? Maybe 10K? I don't know. I don't know. Shaving my head? I don't know. No. Encryption is for babies. This is my bay. This is my bay. And Jackhammer knows that's my bay. Actually, you know what? Sometimes I realize how much I drank when I stand up. So I'm sitting down right now, so I have no idea if I stand up if I'm gonna feel like all funny or stuff. Actually, I'm gonna stand up. How am I? Let's see. Okay. I'll have another one. Francesco's so sweet. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. And the thing is this, Jack, I don't know if I told you this because we ramble a lot during streams and you talk about guns. And I have a cousin that he goes on a shooting range and I would love to go. I haven't been there yet. And he's like, come, I know you love shooting, you shoot arrows and stuff. And I want to go. And he's like, he owns a Magnum and I don't know how many others he owns, but he owns. And he's like, come and we'll shoot. And he told me how much it would cost to shoot one round, let alone 15. And he's like, you can use my Magnum. And it's a genuine concern. I'm afraid that if I try to shoot with a gun, with the recoil, I'll probably knock off a tooth or something. Is that a real concept? I don't know how powerful the recoil is. Is it gonna be like this? And I knock a tooth off or something? I don't know. Okay. Let's go. I'm rambling so much. Did I equip the gun? Yes, I did. You have to escape Plan VB if you get to... What's Plan VB? What do you mean, Plan VB? I don't get it. Plan... The only way I'm walking out of this stream, okay, if I die, alright? If I die, I'm not starting over, alright? I'm not saving. I hope I don't. I don't think I'm gonna die anyway. Do I need the herb? No, I'm good. I'm good. It's manageable, okay. But I don't know, there are different kinds of magnums. Vloggy, is that powered if you can handle it carefully? Yeah, okay. You're talking to someone who... talking to someone who got a lot of string burns when it came to... when it came to shooting bow and arrow. I used to have all here bruised. Hang on, smeared. I used to have all here bruised because when I used to draw the bow and arrow like this, and you let go of the string always rubs over here. So I used to have here all here bruised. Yeah, you can ask Carl if he's still in chat. We used to wear like scarves and stuff, so we don't actually get hit. But then we, you know, we mastered the shooting. I'm sorry if I'm missing a lot of stuff in chat. I'm just focusing on the game. I don't want to die. Okay. 1, 2, run! I'm sorry if I was loud in your ears. I'm sorry. I apologize, headphone users. Hang on. Oh man. Hang on. No, nothing. Never mind. If you don't mind me asking, Instant Death, and feel free not to reply, how old are you? No, I used it. I'm an idiot. I used it. I just combined it. I'm an idiot. Wasn't there a liquor in here? I think it's the second scenario then. I thought there was a liquor in here. I was worried. I think it's the second scenario. I'm only asking how old are you so I can compare you not being able to handle the drink with when I wasn't able to handle the drink. See if it's the same kind of age, more or less. 31! Same as my age. I'm actually 31. I turned 31 last week, actually. Last Tuesday. Yeah. Did I get all the plugs? I'm confused now. No, there's one more. Yeah, there's one more to go. Up in the thing. Up in the chute. Oh, I remember when I was 13. Feels like yesterday. And now my numbers have flipped. Like 13, 31. Late birthday. Yeah. Yeah. I don't make a big deal out of birthdays. I never did. Actually. I was kind of excited about my 19th because it was the 19th of July. So when I turned 19 on the 19th, they call it the lucky birthday. And it was a kind of big deal, but other than that. And I always say, the more birthdays you have, the less you start caring about them. Hang on, I almost forgot. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I don't usually switch on the camera, so face cam is quite rare for my streams. It's not because I'm shy or anything like that. It's not like I had to do my hair, blow dry my hair. Oh, here's a fact. I showered, as I was saying in Wesker's chat earlier. I went to shower and my hair. I have long hair. Look, I want to show you. Hang on. I need a haircut. Okay, I need a haircut. I know. I'm aware of that. So my hair went like all poofy. I'm like, oh man, I am not gonna switch on the camera with poofy hair. I'm like, no, hang on. So I blow dried it. Okay, I blow dried it. Now I am a guy that owns a lot of hair products. If I had to show you. Anyway, so there's one of the products that I've never tried before. I'm like, I bought this and I never tried it. So I tried it, and after I blow dried it, and then I put the product on, and my hair went poofy again. Like, no! So I washed my hair again. I washed it off, and I blow dried it again. Blow dried it? I don't know. And then I put this wax thing on. So, yeah, so it lowers the volume because it's like. Pfft. Anyway, so yeah, I did blow dry my hair twice before going on camera. It's so funny. Yeah, you're feeling so many shots. Varo thinks that I'm drunk. The thing is, when I drink, I get very. Is that a word? Talkative. I talk a lot. Yeah, that's the only thing. That's the only thing. Why am I in this room? I'm kidding. I know why I'm in this room. I'm kidding. I'm just strolling. Keep trolling, trolling, trolling. I don't need this gun anymore. Ah, okay. What's going on? Look at an afro. If, oh my goodness, one of these days I will stream with an afro. It's true, my hair gets really. It's true. I need a haircut. Getting sexy. But it's true, I did blow dry my hair before I actually switched on the camera because I get very self-conscious. Why am I going up here? No, but it, Jack. There was a time when I wanted to do that. Then I'm like, meh. But there was a time, yeah. You know, Jack, I can imagine what you look like because once you describe to me who you look like, so I can imagine more or less. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Stop it, chat. Stop looking at chat. Focus on the game. Your birthday is on the 20th of July. Is that right? So, as I was saying, yeah. I get very self-conscious when it comes to streaming with the camera on because of my hair, and I need to make sure that I'm, you know, I can't be in my underwear. But yeah, it's not because I'm chut. Stop it. Stop it. I have hair down to my butt. I'm like, who has hair down to his butt? Oh my god! And then I realize it's a girl. Okay, that's okay, I guess. Yes, that liquor could have been bad. And there's another one here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, my back hurts. Am I gonna have to stand up? No, no liquor. Again, second scenario. Sometimes I get confused. What was I saying? Yeah, so yeah, I don't switch on the camera because when I stream from my capture card over here is where my setup is actually. Over there is where when I usually stream when there's no camera, like not now, but usually I sit on the floor. I don't even sit on the couch over there. I don't even sit on the couch. I sit on the floor, you know, with my headphones very close to the TV. And there's a laptop. I have a gaming laptop, and I only use it for streaming. I know I'm rambling again. But yeah, I sit on the floor. I sit on the floor. And that's why I don't switch on the camera, because first of all, the camera's crap. It's a gaming laptop. I don't know how much money I spent on it. It's a gaming laptop. It's a beast, but the camera still sucks. It's amazing. This is an iMac. And from, when did I buy this? From 4 or 5 years ago. And the camera's even better than that one that I just bought. That I think sounds drunk. No, I'm not. He's calling it. Let's go. True! I've been talking about you saying I missed you! Buddy! There he is! There he is! Let me make you a drink. Oh wait, it's empty.
Get away!
There's True! He's the man. Guys, check him out. He streams and he's so funny. He really is. He really is. Okay, in honor of True, I want to do this. In honor of True, I want to do this. Big. Shrink. That was in honor of True. Sorry, I had to do that. You missed the 7. I was like, I just read the comment. I just read Jack's comment. Like, you missed the first seven shots. I'm like, did I have 7? And then I looked at the count. I'm like, yeah, I did have 7. Let's keep going, guys. I'm not drunk. He lied. I'm not drunk. I'm kidding. Actually, I'm not too big, actually. Should I shrink it a bit more? Hang on. I'm a bit too big now. Maybe like this.
Ben! Can you still hear me? Come on, answer.
Jack, stop it.
Damn! I don't believe this. I almost got the story. Ben, Bitter
Ben is
irony.
drunk. Look at him. He's like,
Chief of police, a co-conspirator. Get that scum. Make him pay. Hang in there, Ben.
look, he can't handle his liquor. Look at what's gonna happen to him. Don't drink, guys. Look what happens. Guys, don't do drugs. This is what happens. It's a real thing.
What's wrong?
This is how babies are born. Make him pay. Good God.
Good God, what was that?
Mail to the chef. I'm kidding. I know it says chief.
Where are you going, Ada?
To the chemical plant. I have a feeling that's where I'll find John.
Ada, wait! Hey!
So I'm actually concerned because I disconnected the controller
Do you
from my
read me,
computer.
Claire? We now have
Yeah, I was telling
access
everyone,
to
by the
the
way,
back
when
of
I
the
play with
parking
you, okay, Resident Evil Outbreak, I sit over there
Getting
on
out
the
of here and
floor.
heading to the
You know, if
sewer.
we stream for 3 hours, I sit
Can
on
you
the floor
meet
for
me
3
there?
hours. You know how I say I'm having water? The bottle's right next to me on the floor. I stream on the floor. That's how much I love streaming with you, buddy. But it's true. That's true. Okay, let's go. No, Jack, that would be a terrible idea because we both suck at Outbreak now. It would be a terrible idea. You know what, Francesco? As I hate to toot my own horn, but I've never seen a stream, and I pretty much live on YouTube Gaming now. I've never seen a stream somebody taking shots, doing a shot challenge. So yeah, there's that. Do I have all the plugs? Do I have all the plugs? Okay, guys, get ready. I am gonna take a shot or two here, definitely. Hang on. Yeah. Guys, get ready. You know what I'm gonna do? Dang, you got carpet? Get sore ass. Sorry, you. Oh, man. It's the only time I'm gonna get sore ass because of a guy. It's the only time ever, okay, man? It's the only guy that's gonna give me sore ass. Oh, man. Okay, let's go. Why am I here? Oh, yeah, I was gonna get rid of the key, actually. It's annoying me. Guys, I am gonna get hit, and my prediction is 2. 2 more shots, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so... yeah, that is right. I'm just reading a few comments here and there. Okay, here we go. I feel like I'm True right now with the camera on, you know, because True always streams with the camera, but I don't. For me, it's a special occasion. Okay, guys, get ready. I'm gonna get hit at least 2 more times. And if the little thingy ones hit me, grab me, eat me, whatever it is they do, I don't think they do damage, but I'm gonna count it as a hit. Okay? Here we go. I'm nervous again. I'm nervous. This boss never hits you, Matt. I don't believe that. But I do believe that you're better than me. True, recognize this monster. I saw one guy on YouTube defeating this guy with just a knife and no damage. Amazing, guys. Amazing. Freaking amazing. Oh yeah, he's coming. He's coming. Here we go. Here we go. Shoot. There it is. There's one. I count it as a hit. I don't care. I count it as a hit. I don't care. I got this. There we go. That's an 8. You guys ready for more? Another one. I told you guys. Oh my goodness, so many empty glasses. Well, only 9. I'm gonna get out of the room real quick, just in case there's more of them. Each baby is a shot. No. When he goes, oh! When he goes like that, it counts. But now they're gone because I left the room and came back just in case there's more of them. What kind of shots? Yeah, sorry, True, I didn't tell you. It's vodka Red Bull. I only had 1 can of Red Bull, so I'm improvising now. If I run out of Red Bull, I'm 2 shots away of running out. By the way, I only got 2 shots left. It's gonna be shot number 9. Yeah, Jack, you know it. It's gonna be Fanta Lemon. You know what? I'm gonna put it back in the fridge because it's getting warm. It's been out since I started the stream. How long have I been streaming? I'll be right back, guys. Hang on. Things you do for subs, huh? I'm having shots for all of you guys, okay? Maybe next one will be, instead of vodka Red Bull, just vodka. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, Dada knows. Yeah, it's getting moist. Let's go. Fanta Lemon, yeah. Did I not show you the bottle? Yes, I have Fanta Lemon. I'll put it in the fridge, but I'll show you once I bring it up. Because I am going to bring it up for sure. Ada, what was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. Those zombies are everywhere. Not to mention that thing that got Ben. I was
What
there.
was that all about? Running off like that was reckless and stupid. Those zombies are everywhere. Not to mention that thing that got Ben.
I was there, Leon. I know.
Haven Hill, it's like the worst of the worst vodka wipes.
Look,
Interesting.
As an officer, it's my
Guys,
job to look
you
out
wanna know
for
a little-
you.
just a little-
But
little-
we're not going to get through this alive. if
You want to
we
know a
don't
little
work
secret?
together.
Do you remember my buddy
Okay.
joke he told?
All right.
No, I don't
We'll
know.
do
I
this
say many
your
jokes
way,
actually,
for
so I
now.
don't know. You know a little secret? When I'm streaming, I don't like to see how many viewers I have. I have no idea how many viewers I have right now. I minimize everything. I don't want to see how many viewers I have. That's 1. 2, same thing goes for subs. I don't want it to pressure me. If there is a lot of people watching, it pressures me. And I start saying stuff and not playing well and all that. Oh guys, I want to show you something. Hang on. He's gonna block water with his head. Look at that. That was fun. Okay, never mind. I'll take one of those actually, just in case. So yeah, I don't like to see how many people are watching me for 2 reasons. 1, if there's many people watching me, I feel pressured and I feel like, you know, sometimes I just tend to get cocky or I don't know. So I don't like that. And also for motivation, if I'm streaming and there's only 1 person watching me or 0 for like half an hour, I'm like, I want to end off the stream. Nobody's watching, and with that attitude, you will never get anywhere. You know. So I used to put a little sticky note over the number of viewers, but then I realized you can minimize. Okay. Let's go. Hang on, I need the valve handle. Oh, Steven's back. Did you get home already? Sorry, when did you get back? Oh my goodness, I'm reading. Sometimes I'm reading comments. I'm not even reading from who they're from. When did you get back? Sorry, I missed welcoming you back. Welcome back. Get out of my way. I'm gonna pick this up. Francesco, don't do that, buddy. I love you, but that's borderline spamming. Ada, wait! Here we go.
Ada!
No, it's not an 808.
Heads up!
Leon.
Hey, Mr.
That woman
I
was-
am Krusty. Welcome
I
to the
have to
stream,
talk to
buddy. Welcome. I think you just got here. I don't think I've seen you before. So welcome, buddy. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're having shots. Each time what was that? Each time I get damaged, I'll do a shot. Help me, please. Looks like Mr. I am Krusty is familiar with what we do here, me and True. Run, 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 run. That is awful, huh? Guys, you can actually die from those roaches. You can't even kill them. Okay, here we go. My favorite scene of the game. My favorite cutscene. I love it so much.
Don't move. You're the one who was with that cop, if I'm not mistaken.
Very nice of you, Juan Pablo. Very nice.
Ada Wong.
Yes, it is. Actually, let me
Ada
show
Wong.
it to you, True, because you always show me your shirts in your stream, so it's time for me to show you my shirt.
No,
It says,
one of the men from Chicago who came to assist the T-virus research used his girlfriend's name as his password. Ada.
"You're not my type." Get it?
How did
Because
you
it's
know?
water. See
Who
what I
are
did there?
you?
See what I did there?
Annette Birkin. My husband is the man responsible for the creation of the T-virus. William Birkin.
What?
John's dead. He became one of those zombies. My
My
condolences.
condolences.
And although I regret this, you will be joining him shortly. I won't let anyone take the G-virus away from me.
G-Virus?
It's capable of creating the ultimate bioweapon. Its potential is
It's a
even
Pokemon
greater
pun.
than that of the T-virus.
Oh, no
And
pants.
that must mean
It's funny how me and
featuring
True
at
now
least
are
a part
associated with no pants on.
Precisely.
This is funny.
My husband, William.
And also
And
gay.
it's all Umbrella's fault. None of this would have happened if they hadn't tried to steal his research away from him.
I love this scene. I love this cutscene so much. This way. Look, this way.
This way.
It's sheer perfection.
Again, those of
My
you who are not
precious
familiar with
G-Virus.
Resident
one
Evil
will
Outbreak, first
ever
of all,
take you
me and
away
True
from
play Resident Evil Outbreak. We finally figured out how to play it online. Yes, it is the best scene. Umbrella Agent. I love it.
There he is.
So yeah, we play Resident Evil Outbreak, me and True,
Doctor, we're here to collect
and
the
the
G-virus
intro
sample.
of the game,
Sorry,
because it focuses.
but I won't just hand
Not
over
wearing any
my
pants.
life's work.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
You might hit the sample.
The intro for Outbreak is
That's it, all
fantastic.
right.
It really
Okay, let's move
specifies
out.
on this cutscene him injecting the virus and attacking Hunk. Hunk? Is one of these people Hunk? I don't know. But anyway, him
Hold
turning
on,
into
darling. I'm taking
the
care of
thing
that poor
and
wound
attacking
first.
them,
Stay
and
here.
and the rats spreading the virus because it focuses on the outbreak. And this is how the outbreak started.
Alpha team,
It was William,
retrieve the sample yet?
obviously, but this is where the outbreak started. This and the rats.
Roger.
Yeah, Francesco, it's getting very late. I feel responsible for keeping you up, buddy. Thank you so much.
Are you
Thank you so
telling
much
me
for being
that
here,
he
buddy.
injected the G-Virus into
It's
his
so awesome
own
to have you here.
body?
The G-virus has the ability to revitalize cellular function.
Listen to that roar. I hate that.
What was that?
No,
Something
Tiff,
wrong.
don't put pants
Let's
on.
check it
Don't
out.
listen to
Over
Sapphire.
there.
Don't.
Shoot! Eat this, you freak!
It focuses on this scene mostly.
What is
The
this?
outbreak. Has anyone seen this scene?
Hurry!
It's amazing. You know what? Next time me and True stream, I'll make it a point to
What is this thing?
let's see if I can actually. If I can actually show
Fire!
this cutscene in Outbreak. It's fantastic. It's so good.
Son of a...
You get to see more graphic William attacking these guys. It's so awesome. Like
So those rats were the carriers of the virus.
good night,
As a
Francesco.
result
Thank
of
you so
his
much for being here, buddy.
virus-induced transmutation,
Take care.
William should have lost any prior memories he had as a human by now. Even worse, every G-virus bioweapon, including William, has the ability to implant embryos into other creatures.
And create offspring.
If True makes it to the White House, pants will be banned in the entire US. I would vote for True. Mostly because he plays with Nemesis dolls. Like, that was so amazing. It was so funny. Somebody should make a GIF out of him playing like. Let's go. Yeah, Matt, you did a good job screenshotting that.
Ada?
You did a good job. I wish I thought of that first. Ada? Actually, it goes like this. Ada? I don't recall the Nemesis doll situation. You know what? I may get drunk on this stream, but I will not get as bad as playing with dolls. Alright? Action figures. Action figures. Action figures, not dolls. Yeah, I have my valve handle. Let's go. I'm gonna get some food. I'll be back ASAP. Okay, True, take your time, buddy. Bon appetit. And I want you to tell me what it tasted like. What did you have, first of all? I want to know what you had and if it was good after you come back. Burn. They're not dolls, I know. I was just kidding. Just make it fun, make it poke fun. So I'm gonna feel that burn. Oh man. Okay, here we go. This chair's not comfortable, guys. I need a good chair. I need a better chair. I will. I have a room over here. I can't show you because I can't turn the camera, but I have a room here and I'm gonna set it up for gaming and streaming and all that stuff. And a green screen and all the jazz. Even though I'll have a green screen, I won't stream with camera as much anyway, but it's good to have a green screen. Your location, Australia or England? I can't out your accent. Nobody can. Nobody can. I get people telling me, "Are you American? You sound American." And I had people like, "You sound German. You sound Scottish." I just used an herb again. Let's pick it up. Let's get it back. No, I am from Malta. I am from Malta. It's a teeny tiny island in the Mediterranean. Wow, I can't even say that right now. And I'll tell you exactly where. You know Italy? In the Mediterranean, the boat thingy. And underneath Italy, there's Sicily. A triangle-shaped island. Well, it's an island, but triangle-shaped thingy. Underneath Sicily, there's a teeny tiny island. And that's Malta. That's where I am. It's a tiny island in the Mediterranean. That's where I'm on. I love Malta. I mean, as much as I love the US, and I've been to the US, and I'm crazy about the US. But I love Malta. I love my country. I don't know if you saw, guys, I don't know if you saw my ziplining video. The one I posted yesterday. Well, it's past midnight, so in my case, it's the day before yesterday now. I posted the ziplining video. We went ziplining, and it's amazing. It's not like ziplining from one tree to another. We ziplined from one rock to another, and with nothing but ocean beneath us. Go check it out. That's where I live. I just realized. I have a thing here. Okay, that's much better. Sorry. OCD. Go check it out. See what Malta's all about. Check it out. It's what, 1 minute video. It's not long. I just ziplined from one rock to another. Check it out. Let's go. I'm rambling so much. Guys, I want you to tell me one more thing before I actually attack this. Crocodile or alligator? Go, now, in the chat. Crocodile or alligator? And after that, I'll tell you how many languages I speak.
Ada!
Dada thinks it's a crocodile. No, that doesn't count. Alligator, alligator, crocodile. Gator. The common one is alligator, actually. I kid you not, guys. I looked up the difference between crocodile and alligator about 10 times. And I still can't tell the difference. Still can't tell the difference. It's true. I can't. I just can't. Anyway, how many languages do I speak? I speak Maltese. نتكلم بالمالتي. I speak English. I speak Italian. Parlo italiano. I speak French. Well, I speak French and I understand it and I read it, but not fluently. Je parle français. And a teeny tiny bit, I would say 50% Arabic. I understand 50% of Arabic and I just assume the rest. Because Maltese sounds a lot like Arabic because it's a Semitic language, actually. It originated from Arabic. Maltese is a mix of Arabic, English, and Italian. And that's how Maltese was born. Malta has a history of being ruled by many countries. And we're under the Arabs, and we are under the UK colony, and we are under the Italians, I think. Yeah, French, for sure. So yeah, our language evolved, you know? So yeah, نتكلم بالعربي أقول. I don't know if أقول, but yeah, what else? And I understand Spanish. I won't speak it, but I understand it. I hung out with a lot of Spanish friends, and even when they're talking between them, I can understand what they're saying. When they're on the phone or stuff, I can understand what they're saying.
Leon.
This bullet wound isn't making things any easier.
Quiet, Leon.
It opens many job opportunities for me in Europe, but the only country I'm interested in, I don't speak the language.
That's too
Dutch
you.
and German.
Don't mention it.
German, especially German. I wanted to live in, I want to go
found
live in
out.
Switzerland,
John's dead.
but I don't speak
What?
Dutch. German.
Never mind. Let's just get out of here. The sooner the better.
A living handbag. Or a living belt. Look, it's a living belt. How long have I been streaming? It's almost 3 a.m. I am taking my sweet time though with this game. It's been a while since I had a shot, guys, huh? It's been a while. In your faces. In your faces, all of you. Well, like, what the fuck? Normal. Normal. It's not easy, buddy. It's not easy. I was thinking about doing it on easy, just in case. In case I want to go easy on myself, but no. It's on normal. Is there any way I can prove it right now? I don't think there is, eh? Let's go. You know, I was talking about the roaches earlier, how they can kill you up there. I don't understand why they are gone now. Whoops, I burped. Look, they're gone now. I don't understand that. I don't know why they're gone now. My sister lives in Sweden. CatX! CatX, welcome! I don't know if you just showed up or you've been here a while and I missed your comment, but welcome, CatX. CatX is awesome. So, yeah, people are greeting you, so you must have showed up. Here's what's going on, in case you don't get it. Each time I get damaged, whether it's a zombie bite or a spider poison right now, I will take a shot. And so far, CatX, sober, no shots. Oh wait, you see I looked up? Oh wait, actually let me show you the, no! Stupid letting go of the controller. Why do I do that? Why do I do that? I was gonna show you CatX, hang on. I can't even grab all of them actually. Hang on. I want to show you. So far. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Take all the fun out of drinking. What do you mean take the fun out? It's awesome. It's awesome. I am so curious to see how many people are watching right now, but I don't care. I'm having fun, I don't care. And you guys make it fun. You guys in chat make it fun. It's awesome. Actually, you're on this side, actually. On this side. On this side, yeah? There you go. Shoot it. Over here. Now over here. Now over here. Now over here. I hate that. I hate that so much. I was the one doing all the shooting, and then she just gives him the last shot. Shot? Did I say shot? Why should I take a couple of shots of water? Why? Why? Do you guys like the thumbnail of the stream? Did you guys like that? I spent about 20 minutes working on that. I kid you not. As if, Irving. As if, Matt. As if I do that. No, I'll save that for next time. You're right, I'll save it for next time. It'll be gone by the end of this week, probably. What day is it now? It's Wednesday. It'll be gone by the end of the week. Trust me. I got a text. Who texts me at this hour? Hang on. No, there's zombies in here. I'm not gonna check my phone right now. Oh my goodness, that was scary. To be honest, I stole the Leon thing from DeviantArt, I think. Sorry. Oh, did I tell you about the about my Pokemon stream? I'll tell you. Hang on, let me get rid of these first. You know what? There's an herb here, I think. I'm getting texts. I need to check my phone. I'm getting texts. It's 3 a.m. I don't get texts at 3 a.m. I don't like that. I'm worried now. Why did I get a text at 3 a.m.? I have to check. Oh yeah, I was gonna say about the Pokemon thing. I'm currently playing Pokemon Black 2. And I like, when I stream from this computer, I like to have a nice overlay. Like this one. Like this one. So I googled, you know, Pokemon Black 2 overlay, blah blah blah, and I found a guy who was making one on YouTube, and he posted a link for people to download it, but the link was dead, and people were like, their link is dead, It's like, yeah, I'm not gonna re-upload it, it's done, just enjoy the video of me making it, kind of. He never re-uploaded the link, so what I did is I full screened it, 720p, I took a screenshot, you know, and I made it into my overlay. He shows up on the stream. The guy who makes it shows up on the stream. And I'm looking at chat, I'm like, hey Ultima, sorry, I'm just rambling. Hey Ultima, welcome to the stream. I'll explain what's going on soon, unless you figured it out. So he shows up on the stream, and I'm looking at chat, and I'm thinking, I know that username from somewhere. And you know, you can hover over with your mouse over the name, and you get a little tag, a little business card thing, kind of the channel, and it shows that I'm subscribed to his channel. I'm like, it's the guy, it's him. And I'm like, dude, I took your overlay. I hope you're okay with it. Like, and everyone in chat was like, guys, this is the guy who made the overlay. Go subscribe to him. And everybody's like, whoa, nice overlay. And everybody goes in the chat, I subbed to you, man. I subbed. He's like, oh, I'm so humbled that you liked it. It's so funny. It's amazing that you admire somebody's work, and then they show up to your work. I like that. I like that. I'm rambling. I'm sorry again. I'm rambling. Sapphire. Yeah, and I also do Minecraft, so I shot myself in the foot right there. I'm gonna check my phone because I don't know what's going on here. It's Carl. Carl is texting me. He sent me a video, but I'm not gonna watch it now. So funny. Yeah, it's Carl. He sent me. Oh, you look at that sauce. Yeah. Okay, let's go. We're not gonna need the valve handle anymore. I'm actually getting an herb collection, just so we're clear. Actually, you know what? Okay, that's good. I'm just gonna take the one from here. Nukafax, I don't know if I greeted you. My goodness. Well, I have an excuse. I can blame it on the alcohol. Blame it on... Did you guys hear that? Sorry. Okay. Stop it, Dad. I'm not. But I just might get drunk in this fight now, because usually this is how I handle William in this part. I just stand there and just blast him with my weapon. He hits me, I hit him more than he hits me, and he dies. But now I have to run. I have to dodge. I have to dodge. I have to be careful. I'm sure I have more healing items than I will need, but... Okay, let's go. I'm hesitating for this fight right now. No, you didn't hear it, Sapphire. You didn't hear it. No, you didn't. Come on, you guys didn't hear it. Hang on, why am I going there? Nope, wrong key. I love the sound it makes. I love that. We rode this thing in Outbreak as well. It was all frozen. We had to defrost it first. Get white girl wasted. I love the fact that you also revisit this area in Resident Evil 0, guys. I don't know if how many of you guys are aware, but you get to revisit this area as well in Resident Evil 0. I love it. Okay, it wasn't me, it was Ada. You saw that, right? I didn't get hit, it was Ada.
Can you hear me? Come on, snap out of it.
I'm gonna get hit another 2 times here for sure. They're waiting for me over there. They're waiting. I'm gonna drink you soon. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna keep you outside until you defeat William. I get it. If I teach you how to speak Italian. No, he threw something at me. Come on, Ken, you can do this. I love this transformation so much. I love this transformation. Look at that. And the music is so epic, guys. If you love this music, check out the same music in Resident Evil Darkside Chronicles. It's amazing. It's the same music but remixed. Let's go. Run, buddy! Did I get hit? Did I get hit, guys? I want you to be honest right now. Did I get hit? Whoa. Guys, did I get hit? Guys, did I get hit? I can shoot the camera. Yes, I will do that. I used to do that. Hang on. I can shoot the camera. Yes. I know I can. Oh, I think you do that with the shotgun. I think you can do that with the shotgun, yeah. Did you? No, guys, honestly. Don't troll right now, come on. I can't shoot the camera. Shot number 10. People are saying I got hit. Alright, people are saying I got hit. I'm gonna trust your judgment. I don't know, honestly. Because the thing is, the music's not very loud in my game, so I don't know if Leon grunted, like, ugh! Okay, you saw blood. People are saying they saw blood. Okay, I trust your judgment, so I'll have another one. I can't shoot the camera. There's a way you can shoot the camera. But I think it's with the shotgun that you can shoot the camera over here. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do it. Let's go. Okay, let's do the shot. I think I did better than I expected. Let's do this. Oh man, I need to pee, I think. Hang on, let me check. Yeah, I need to pee. No, I believe you guys. I trust you. I trust you. Here it is. Here it is. Wow. Yeah, as I was saying, the volume is quite low, so I can't really tell. Look at that. I don't like that. Hang on. Okay, it's good now. No, I believe you. Right, thirsty anyway. Well, anyway, it's been a while, so I was due for a drink anyway. Okay, let's go. Got a wee wee. Yeah, I do got a wee wee. I actually use that expression, wee wee. Or did I just say it myself? Hey, William. You wanna know a funny fact? I have eggs ready in the kitchen in case I would need to eat something after this. So I'll make myself some scrambled egg if I have to, if I need it.
Wake up!
Or I'll just go to bed.
Come on!
Maybe I didn't get hit, Juan Pablo, but the common verdict was that I got, so it was a vote. It was democracy, you know? It's fine. It's fine. I need to pee, Vera. Vera. I said Vera. Vera means true, by the way. I need to pee, Vera. I need to pee true.
Welcome back. Hey, take it easy. We're inside Umbrella's secret lab. I'll go find something to treat that wound.
Funnily enough, I
So
think
just
I'm
rest
still
here in the
doing better
meantime.
than last time, yeah?
I'll only slow you down with these
I'm only 10
injuries.
shots. Last time I had 22 by the end of the game.
I told you, it's my job to look after you.
But
I don't know.
you'll be in danger if you stay with me. I know I've only known you for a short period of time, but I really enjoy being with you.
What if I do a Resident Evil run?
I'm not
Each time I
capable
get
of
hit,
caring about
I get
anyone.
tased.
I don't want to lose you.
I'm kidding,
We're
guys.
leaving this
I'm
place
kidding.
together. Wait here for me. I'll be right back.
I'll pick up the herb. Actually, you know what? I didn't use any of the healing items. I'm good. I'm good. I also love this music. Okay, you go in there. I'm making a collection, guys. I'm collecting all the healing items. I got baked salmon after this. I have salmon in the freezer. Yeah. But if I want salmon after the stream, I need to take it out right now to defrost it. I only missed one shot. You've been away for a while, true. I only did one shot. That's awesome. I'm good. That's good. Juan Pablo. Let's go. True. Recognize this area? Hmm? Recognize this area? Remember the frozen monsters that we had to deal with? No, man, don't say that. Resident Evil Contra Zombie. Speaking of Contra, I was thinking of doing a live stream me playing Contra with a friend, 2 players. I was gonna buy the game, and it's so expensive. Apparently, it's a rare NES game, apparently. Oh, speaking of NES games, guys, I collect NES games. I don't know if you know that, but I collect consoles and I collect video games. I think True knows. And I want to show you what I got. I want to show you what I got. Hang on. I got something really cool. It was a gift. I'm not sure if it's rare, but look what I got. Look what I got. I love it. I love it so much. It's a gift. With the manual and everything, huh? Batman! Na, 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 na. Anyway, yeah. Also, I also got as a gift, I get so many gifts, a Nintendo 64. I love it, but no controllers and no games. I just need to buy the controllers and the games. But yeah. I also have a very rare copy. Apparently it's rare, because it was only released in in Europe. Ghostbusters. That's a rare copy as well, I think. As far as I know. I could be wrong. Alright, let's get back to the game. I have so many. I could show you all. Maybe one day I'll do a stream or something. I'll show you stuff. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Fan, don't do that noise. Okay. Good boy. It is a bit hard, actually. It's true. It is a bit hard. Help me, please! Okay, let's go. Help me, please! It's so much fun to play that with True. I kid you not. So much fun. I love it. Ever since I was a kid, well, I was a kid when Resident Evil 2 came out, 1998. I always dreamed of playing Resident Evil 2 in 2-player mode. Somebody goes look up those rooms, I go look up those other rooms. I always dreamed of that. I always wanted that to be a reality. And now in Resident Evil Outbreak File 2, when we eventually get to that, True, it's gonna be a reality. You're gonna go search, because file 2, the police station one, we can actually go our separate ways. It's a very easy scenario. Trust me, I'm an engineer. Should I pick that up? Let's just pick that up just in case. I love digital copies because of release dates and times. If there's a game I want at midnight because I'm so hyped and I want it, you know, I can actually get it at midnight when it's released. Like yesterday, for instance, when Minecraft Story Mode Episode 2 came out, Episode 7 came out. I wanted it at midnight, and at midnight I started downloading it. Yeah, eventually it installed around 2 or 3 a.m., but I got it at midnight, and that's awesome, you know? But if it's a very, very good title that I can't not have as a physical copy, I have to have it. Like for instance, when Pokemon comes out, Pokemon Sun and Moon, in Europe it launches on the 23rd, when in Australia it launches... Hang on, he's not even equipping his gun. What the heck? Hang on, let's sort these guys out. Yeah, I was just saying, in Australia it comes out... Hang on, no. In Australia it comes out on the 17th, and in Europe on the 23rd. There's absolutely no way I'm gonna wait a whole week to play the game. So I'm gonna get it as digital from the Australian store on the 17th, and then I pre-ordered my copy. I think they died, both of them. Guys, if they whip me, do I count it as damage? Come on, if they whip me, there's no way out of this. Do I count it as damage? There's no way out of this. Is there, Jack? I didn't know that. I did not know that. Steve. Oh man. Let's go. This gun is not gonna do any justice. No, no, no! No, no, no! No! I can't hit him with this gun. I need to get underneath him. Oh, man. Ah! You saw that, right? 2 hits. 2 hits! Freaking liquors! Yes. But I'm gonna have to make more because I ran out of alcohols. I'm gonna get the Fanta now. I'm gonna get the Fanta. You wait right there, okay? You're all laughing, aren't you? All right. That was 2 hits, and there's probably going to be more. So here's what we're going to do. Shot number 11. 12. I got hit twice. So this is the big cup that I'm using to mix the whole thing, okay? I'm going to put some more, because I ran out of shots, so I'm going to have to make more. Shots, baby. Okay. All right, so this is how much. There we go. That's as much vodka as I can put. All right, that's a lot. That's a lot. Vlog, you're gonna get crunk. No, he's not. It's fine. It's fine. He's not. I'm gonna open it. Listen to it. Ah, the sound it makes. Ah. What's going on? Crypto music. What do you think about music? You just showed yourself, buddy, and you're just promoting yourself. Bye. Have a great time. Bye. Have a great time. You just showed up. What do you think of my music? There we go. Here we go. We're gonna mix it up. It kind of tastes like bitter lemon, more or less. Thank you, Chase. You tell him. You tell him. Now I'm gonna show you my. Look at that. Look at that. Look how much I've got left of the vodka. Look. That's pretty much half the bottle almost. Okay, don't you want a Fanta? Okay, here we go. Laugh all you want, Stephen. I'm gonna mix it up now with my very manly thingy. Mixing it up. Wow, I can tell it's strong. Need to be careful. The ghetto bar. It's not ghetto. Dude, I have cocktail glasses. I have shot glasses. I have actually martini glasses. I'm not ghetto. I'm not ghetto. And I have the things to put the cocktail. I make cocktail parties at my house. Okay? This might get messy. So I'm going to have to put them in we'll see. 1. The ghetto bartender. Dude. Well, I haven't dropped anything yet. Which is good because I don't have any paper towels on me. I'm refilling, guys. I'm refilling. Oh, I am dropping actually. Oops. My shorts, the floor, the table. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wow, look at that. So many. I knew I had to make more. Okay. There's more left, but I ran out of shot glasses. I'm using them all right now. Just gonna get a paper towel because it's annoying me. There's a bit of a mess here. Actually, you know what? No, it's fine. I got this. What can I get you? Thank you so much, Matt. I appreciate that. Thanks, Ket. Thank you. All right. Okay. Where was I? Oh, yeah. 2 more shots. My goodness, I was about to forget. You're right. I'm going to have the last... Yes. instant death. I have all the covers for all the manuals for my NES games. Yes, and I'm very proud of them. I love video games, huh? I love video games. I want to show you one more. Shall I have the shots first? Hang on, I'm going to show you something I got. Hang on. Now this is a game I got, and I still haven't had a chance to stream it, but it's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen, all right? This is a game I got, and I still haven't had a chance to stream it or play it. I don't know what it's like at all. I don't know if it's good. I heard it's a mix between Outbreak, the actual Resident Evil, the way it's supposed to be, and Resident Evil 4 with the over-the-shoulder camera action. Yeah, so I got this game and I still haven't had a chance to play it yet, but I am gonna stream it. Apparently it's really good. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. Ooh, there's Tyrant. I just noticed there's Tyrant over there. Look, there's Tyrant. There's Tyrant. There's Tyrant. There he is. Rah. Okay, enough about that. We're gonna have more shots now. I'm gonna have the last Red Bull one. Okay, Dada. Calm your tits, buddy. Here we go. Just go down, Pinky. It's fine. That's one. And two. Now we're going to switch to Fanta Lemon. But I must ask, why share vodka with Red Bull unless, oh crap, you're a streamer. All right. Only reason why I'm getting RE4 for PS4, I want a hard copy. I have a hard copy of, I don't know where it is, I think it's in that drawer as well, because I'm keeping the PS2 ones over there. I have it, and I never finished it. Okay, let's go. There is a good chance I may get hit again, just so we're clear. With the pinky. Everybody picks on me with the pinky, actually. I don't know why, but I always raise on. I don't know, I hate that I do that, but apparently it's cute. With the ladies, you know. True. The ladies. Let's go. More. Going hard on those shots. 1, 2. That's one. Oh, I'm damaged. Ooh, still on caution. Ah, in your face, you sucker. Ooh, ooh. More. No! I can't hit these stupid lickers. They have to stand underneath me. Oh, I forgot to update it before, by the way, sorry. So that's 12. Jack, you failed. You forgot to remind me. So 12, we're gonna have the 13th one. Yeah, you wanna see that, right? Yeah. Okay. I do pinky up. Really? It's a gentleman thing, really? That's why the girls like it then. There we go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I can refill these as well with the leftover that I have. Hang on. Okay, so now I've been dripping on my leg. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 to go. So 12 plus 8 equals, I don't know. I can't do math right now. Shots. Oh, 13. 13. 13. There we go. Shot number 13. Jack, stop! He needs to get up. He needs to assume that position. No, like that, like that, like that. son of a biscuit. Shot number 14. Son of a biscuit. Brr. Oh, 14. I still think I'm doing better than the last time. I don't know, this is just me. I'm getting closer to the 22 though. Alright, let's go. I see what's gonna happen, you know? I already see what's gonna happen. People are gonna watch this video, you know, after it's been streamed. It's gonna be a video on my YouTube, of course. And people are gonna be like, let me keep forwarding on the video to see how much more he has had. Like, ooh, 7, 12, 14. And they're gonna check my behavior, starting from the beginning till the end, to see if it changes throughout. You can do that, actually. Drunk, stop. Actually, you know what? Hang on. I wanna do this. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, I'm not. I'm kidding, I'm not. Famous last words. Oh man, you guys are awesome. You make the stream fun, not me. Honestly. Okay, here we go. Hang on, I need to do something here. You have to kiss the door before you go. You know that, right? You know that, right? Okay. Confession. Since I'm not drunk. Hang on. Just one over here. I like to make myself a drink while I'm streaming. So even besides right now, even on my regular streams, I like to have a drink. Is there a Carlos here? Everybody's welcoming a Carlos. Oh yes, hi Carlos. I'm sorry. I apologize. It's not me. It's the post. No, but normally I love to make myself a drink while streaming. It's normal. It's natural. Okay, so it's not. Except when I'm playing with True, because when I'm playing with True, I had just woken up at 6 a.m. All right, and I am not familiar with the game, so I need to be 100% focused. Okay, so except when I'm playing with True, but other than that, yeah, usually I have a drink or two, whether it's wine or whiskey or vodka. I like to have. Chat is awesome so far. So yeah, and I think the time I drank the most on a stream was when Uncharted came out. I don't know if you're familiar with what happened to me on Uncharted. I got the game 5 days ahead of release date, 5 days ahead of release date, and I was streaming it, and I was getting like 10 viewers, 20 viewers, 40 viewers, 50 viewers, 60 viewers, and I had just started streaming, like, whoa, and my subs were going up like crazy. They shot, like, whoa, what's going on? And there was one random Saturday, and I started streaming at midnight. So midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. I'm getting tired. I want to go to bed. And people are like, no, don't leave. Stay here, stay here. And I'm drinking. I have a big bottle of wine, having wine. And 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., people are like, don't leave, keep streaming. I stopped streaming because my internet died. And I emptied the whole bottle. By 7 a.m., it was light outside. And I was tired, you know, and I drank the whole bottle. I had a massive headache. And my internet connection actually saved me from streaming. Yeah, I remember you being there, Matt. Yes, that's right. I remember you being there. You were awesome being there, actually, because I needed moderation on that day. I love the upgrade on the Magnum, but I hate the recoil. I'm not sure if Jack's still here, but this is what scares me the most. You see, the recoil actually knocks you out one step back, which means... Ooh! Hang on. Look. Look, it's gonna knock me out one camera angle. Look at that. You see that? It knocked me back one camera angle. And I hate that. I hate that so much. And it always scares me that if I had to shoot a real Magnum gun, I would, you know, knock off a tooth. When I come to visit Malta, live stream Mario Kart with shots every time you get hit with a shell, banana, or a star. You should totally come over, True. Now you got a job now. You should totally come over, True. Now you have a job and you have money, no excuse. Come on. Come to Malta, buddy. Actually, you know what? You know what? You know what, True? I live in my own apartment. I can actually keep you here. You don't need to get a hotel. Come over here, buddy. Alright, as long as you don't smoke. I don't smoke. Then we'll live stream Contra together. Come to Malta, True. Make sure it's summer. For the foreign students. We get a lot of foreign exchange students here in Malta because they want to learn English, but truthfully they want to learn partying. Hang on. Nothing. Nothing. We're good. That's good. Because I live in a smoke-free environment. I used to smoke, huh? I used to smoke. Big time. Took me a while to get over them. Run, buddy, run! Run, 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 run! Sucker! So come over, True. Come to Malta. Make sure it's a summer. So maybe summer 2017, come over. And go partying. Partying is cool. I only smoke foods. My God. Oh man, I think there's more. Yeah, there is. One of them died. You see that? Now I'm gonna run over here. No, I don't count that. I don't count. It's just the whip. I thought I got hit. There we go. I don't count the whip. It's unfair. It's cheap. You don't count the whip. I don't care what you say, chat. Okay. Hang on, no, this way. Just out of curiosity, I know Twitch has a regulation against streaming shirtless. It's not that I'm thinking about it. I won't do it. But do you know if YouTube has the same policy? On Twitch, if you have to stream shirtless, you'd get banned. Your account would be banned right away. Do you know if YouTube has the same policy? Whoa! Say cheese, everyone. Look at that. Oh, look at all that mincemeat. Switching on the lights now. I'm ignoring chat right now. No whips or nay-nays. There we go. Look at how good I am. MO disc. I always say when you get the MO disc, show us your boobs. I would right now. But no, I get banned. No, I don't want to do that. I want to read terms and conditions before I.
You
You murdered my husband.
I know what you're looking for. You came for the G-Virus, didn't you? Never take it from me. This is my husband's legacy.
The thing is this, there was a lot of booby streamers on Twitch.
Where's that spy?
And the male responses to those booby streamers was actually streaming shirtless. There was actually males doing that. I would never do that because
You really
it's not who I
don't know
am.
anything, do you?
I'm all about
So
being
gullible.
funny.
She's one of the operatives
being
sent here by
yourself.
the agency.
You know?
The only reason why she came here is to obtain the G-Virus.
That's a lie.
So yeah, there was a
No,
lot
it's
of
the
males
truth.
doing booby
I
streams.
discovered and I did a background check.
Shirtless streams, and I think they got
She
banned, and
specifically
then
got
they
close to John
actually
and
added to
became
the
his
terms of
girlfriend
service, blah
to
blah
get
blah.
information about Umbrella.
Let's look at chat for a bit. Vloggy
That
boobs.
can't be.
I like that. I'm gonna
I
hashtag
know
it.
her.
Oh, the game freezes when I type. I didn't know that. Vloggy. Actually, you know what? Bobs. Not boobs. Vloggy bobs. Let's go.
Ada wouldn't do something.
Ada
like
wouldn't
that.
do something like that.
If you don't want to believe it, I don't really care. You're about
This
to
is an
die
awesome quote,
anyway.
actually. If you don't want to believe it, I don't really care. You're about to die anyway. I love that. I love that quote. If you don't want to believe that, I don't really care. You're about to die anyway. And there's karma. There's karma. There's karma about to kill you. You're gonna die anyway. Karma. And he just took the G-Virus out of her. He didn't have to steal it. He didn't have to take it out of her. I love this song so much.
The self-destruct sequence has been activated. This sequence may not be aborted. All employees proceed
wanna show you
to the
something,
emergency
guys.
car at the bottom
I
platform.
want to show you something else. I paused the game, okay? The game is paused. This is my phone. I want to show you something on my phone. Hang on. I want to take out the crappy cover that I have because the cover is just a protection. This is my phone. I want to show you something on my phone. Hang on. I want to show you something on my phone. My music. I need to find it though. I need to show you what's on my playlist. Well, there's this. There's this.
Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. My ding-ding-dong.
But that's not what I was going to show you. There's more. There you go. I'm an idiot. Look, it's on my playlist. You wouldn't believe that. Look.
The self-destruct sequence has been activated. Repeat, the self-destruct sequence has been activated. This sequence may not be aborted. All employees proceed to the emergency car.
Well, you know the song anyway. I don't have to do it. Keep doing that anyway. Yeah, anyway. My point is, I told you, look at chat going crazy. Like, are you kidding me? My point is, I told you, I love soundtracks. And whether it's the Star Wars soundtrack or Back to the Future or Gremlins, I love Star Wars. I love soundtracks. Whether it's a video game soundtrack, yeah. I love soundtracks, so yeah. Sometimes I listen to it when I'm running and or even driving. Yeah, okay. There's a lot of people that approve. I'm happy. That's good. Not the tra-la-la one, yeah? Let's go. I want to hear this song, actually. Actually, it makes me drive faster when I'm listening to this song. When I'm driving. I don't know. It makes me think my car's gonna blow. Okay, there's more. I love this scene.
I've been waiting for you, Leon.
I can't believe she aimed the gun at Leon.
What are you doing?
Do you guys think, can you think of
know
any
what
other
this
time when Ada aimed the
So
gun at
just
Leon,
hand
threatening
over
to
the
shoot?
G-Virus.
I think this is the only time, right? Resident Evil 4 or the movies.
Right.
Can you think of any other time when she aimed the gun at Leon?
That's why I told you to leave without me. But
She's
you
actually
wouldn't
threatening
listen.
him that she's gonna shoot him
Now
if
hand it over.
he doesn't do what
Don't
she's
make me
telling him
shoot
to.
you.
Don't make me shoot you. I like that. It happened, true. Speaking of music in the car, first date, blah, 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 it happened. Embarrassing?
Ada!
It happened, but it's who I am.
Ada, I got you. Don't give up.
And how many of you guys would you do that, actually? She just threatened to kill you. And then you just save her. I got you, don't give up.
Shut up. You're gonna make it.
You're gonna make it.
It's too late, Leon.
She pulled a gun on him on RE4. Okay, you see, I didn't know that, Wesker. I didn't know that because I haven't finished RE4. I never have, and I'm probably letting you down right now. I'm probably gonna unsub and unview this stream. But it's true, I never finished RE4. And it's never been spoiled because I always stop watching when people get to a part when I've never watched before. So anyway, sorry. I'm gonna play RE4 when it comes out on the PS4, August 30th, just so you know. Ada, wait! But she had to die. She didn't die, I know that. You know when she's really hot, Ada, in my opinion? Dark Side Chronicles. Personally. Might still be a chance. Oh, true.
This is what everyone's been done.
Unsubbed, Stephen. Here we go. I hate that the music stopped now. The awesome music. It stopped because of the dramatic effect. Now, as soon as I walk out of this room, back to the music. It's back. I love this track so much. Again, it's been remixed awesomely in Resident Evil Dark Side Chronicles. It's amazing. Me and True managed to kill this plant in Outbreak. Well, not kill it, stun it probably. Hey Anthony, I don't know if I said hi to you. I don't know if you just arrived on the stream. You just got here. I don't know. Anyway, welcome buddy. Welcome to the stream. It knocks you out one frame, one camera angle. I hate that. Look at that. You see that? I hate that so much. Look at that. It does it all the time. Stephen, I'm gonna break it to you. We don't have PlayStation Now in Malta. I don't know if it's all Europe. No, it's all Europe. We don't have PlayStation Now in Europe. Thank you so much, Anthony. I love you. I'll try my best not to disappoint you. Guys, before I proceed into this room, there's two things you gotta know. There's two things you gotta know. One, I will probably get hit 3 times in this one. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more shots. There's no way I'm gonna get hit 7 times. Alright? But I think I'll get hit at least 3 times. For sure. Either way, it's the end of the game. I don't care if I die now. It's the end of the game. So that's one. That's one thing you should know. Second thing you should know, I gotta pee. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. Vlog it, wait! Speedrun ruined. Yeah, I don't think pausing the game, I think pausing the game doesn't make a difference, still affects the time anyway. Am I right in saying that? I'm a comedy genius, I know. It's a word like a speedrun, not that. Yeah, you're the one to talk through. Guys, go subscribe to True, check out his CVX runs. Also subscribe to Wesker, but I know all of you watching the stream right now are probably subscribed to Wesker. But just in case there's one that isn't subscribed, go subscribe to Wesker. Now that I'm not... Okay, honestly, let's play a game. Let's play a game, all of you. Let's play a game. Out of 100% being totally drunk, like dead drunk, out of 100% being drunk, okay? What percentage do you think I'm at right now? I want to see that. Spam it in the chat. Let's see that. I'm going in. Let's go. I expect to get hit 3-4 times max. 5 minutes until detonation.
5 minutes until detonation.
Guys, you know that I can just sit here, wait for time to expire, I die, and I don't have another shot, right? 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 I can do that. I'm gonna do that, actually. I'm gonna do that. I'm kidding. I love the genius idea behind this. The elevator's not here yet. And until then you have to fight the monster. I love that. 40%, 65. I see the percentages here now. I'm scared right now. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm gonna step back. I'm gonna take a step back. In your face! Cheater! Why did I cheat? 41.276. You guys are awesome. Albert thinks it's 65. You know, I expected higher numbers from you guys. Alright, this is scary now. 65. Now it gets scary, guys. Now it gets scary. Come on. Come on, William. Come on, come down. I get hit, I will pause the game, guys. Oh, he's right behind me. Oh, no. Oh, I got hit. And I haven't dealt one. Okay, here we go. My goodness. Okay. I didn't deal 1 damage yet. Okay. But now I'm just gonna spam. I don't care. Oh! I don't care. Just gonna... $15. $60. You guys are counting, I don't care, I'm just gonna go for it. Come get it, sucker! I've got 3 minutes to play around with you. Come on, jump on the floor. Oh, he's there! He's there! He's on the floor! No! He didn't turn around! Freaking Leon, idiot. Okay, we're gonna do this. Funny, funny, funny. Come on. Come on, mister. Oh! Ah! I have to take another one. My goodness, it's not what I expected, huh? 3 minutes is all you can spare. I love Wesker's voice, guys. I love Wesker's voice. 7 minutes is all I can spare to play with you. I still think I'm not gonna reach 22 like last time. Huh! I think I took another one though. I think I took another one. So it's only fair. It's only fair. It's only fair. I can't pause it, but I'll do this. It's only fair. I did take another hit, yeah? Yeah? I finished it though. I can handle another shot. Huh? I can handle another shot. Shot number 18. 19 now. Nah. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay. 19. 19 shots. I did better than last time. Whew. He's dead. He's gone. Shot number 1. 19. I did it, buddy. I did it. I'm gonna dance now. I'm gonna dance now. Actually, I should... Uh-oh. I forgot there's a timer. I love a drunk vloggy. All the girls do, Kedex. All the girls do. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm just playing right now, okay? I'm playing a game. We finished it, guys. Let's see how long it took me to finish the game. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hang on, I want to say something in the chat. Wow, I can't spell. Beat that, Matt. Beat that. You're good at Resident Evil, but I challenge you to do that. Leon! I want to take away the chair because it's ugly.
Are you okay? Yes,
Next
I'm
time,
fine.
True. Next time. It's over.
No.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the
Find my
GGs.
brother.
Right. This is just the beginning.
Come on, guys. You know what? There's 2 shots left. Huh? You thought I can't handle them? Hmm?
Goodbye, Ada.
This music's gonna get me emotional now. The end music in the second scenario is awesome though. It's like with a guitar. I like that. Next time I'll get some liquor and I'll do the same thing. You should. Well, you know what? No, Matt. Don't bother if you don't have a face cam, okay? It doesn't count. It should be with a face cam, alright? So, now, so the face cam. Let's wait till you get the, what's it called? Capture card? Wow. Wait till you get the capture card, alright? And then you do it, alright? With the camera. I want to see you. Because you could be going like, that's so good. It's so strong. It's so good alcohol. You know, we don't want to see you. We want to see your face. And you know what? I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again. For true. Big. Oh! Shrink. Sorry. No, and there's no rush, Matt. There is no rush. We love you, all right? There's no rush. We're gonna do that race soon enough. We'll do the race, okay? Now I got the same this game that I played, Matt, is the same version that you play, all right? This is the same one, and even the same one that Protosam plays, all right? So we are one step closer to racing, all right? We're gonna race together, and this is how it's gonna be. On the main screen, we're gonna have my stream, and on the side, we're gonna have, I don't know if we can do both, but we're gonna have your stream and Protosam's stream, so I can actually see, people can actually see who are streaming, how far along we are in the game. I don't know if you like that. Yeah, giant vloggy. Somebody got banned? I don't know. Well done, buddy. You did well. I trust your judgment, Matt. Even if he did nothing wrong. You did well. Anyway. You know what? Guys, this is for you. For all of you being here right now. To all of you. Sad Wolf, thank you so much for coming by, but you just missed it. We finished the game. Look at that. We finished the game and I drank 19 shots. Well, more now, actually. I'm drinking more, but... Alright. Okay, I'm glad you agree, Matt. I'm glad you agree. We're gonna do that. I'm looking forward to that. Alright? And if it's gonna be a race, I'm not gonna drink, alright? So, as I was saying, who was I greeting before? I was greeting someone. I don't know who it was. Hey, Wesley. Wesley and Wolf. Hello, welcome to the stream. Look at that, look at that. It says, okay, let's look at that. Let's look at that. Ranking A. Okay, ranking A. I'm gonna type in chat. Wow, I can't type. Ranking A. Alright. Clear game, Leon A. Total time, 225. Is that good? Is that good? I don't know. I don't think it's good. Is it? No, I don't think it's good. Number of saves, 0. And number of shots, 9. 19. 9. I wish. 19. Alright. Wow, that was awesome. That's it. Did I unlock something? Because this is a brand new ROM that I just downloaded, so there's no save files or anything. So if I unlocked anything, hang on, no, it's not selected. Hold on. If I unlocked anything, I need to save it. I got the rocket launcher. Okay. You guys are awesome. 90. Come on. It wasn't an easy challenge, guys. Come on. It wasn't an easy. I dare any one of you in chat right now to do it. Come on. Hey, Hunter. Who is Matt? I don't know. Who's Matt? Is he behind me? Guys, do you recognize the city behind me? Which city is that? Come on. Which city, besides the stormtrooper over there? But which city is that? The first one to get it right gets a kiss from Vloggy. Huh? Okay, saving on memory card 1. I don't know how this works. Ooh, what? When did I ever save in Control Room 2? I just downloaded this game. That's weird. Anthony, you funny boy. Matt Damon. Alright, guys. Wow, it's 4 a.m. over here. Wow. Wow, it's 4 a.m. My goodness. I need to get some rest. I have to have I need to wake up in 4 hours. Well, that's okay, I guess. Good enough. Good enough. Guys, I'm gonna go. It was so awesome to have you. It's such an awesome party. You guys are awesome. I want to take my headset off, but I can't. I need to keep talking till the very end. I've been to Alaska, true. Alaska's awesome. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Paris, what's going on with Paris? Paris talking. I don't know what's going on. Did I miss anything in chat? I think I did. Guys, I'm gonna go. It was so awesome to have you here. You guys are fantastic. If there's any of you in chat that you haven't subscribed to my channel, I suggest that you do. 4 a.m. in Paris. Yes, because I'm in Europe as well. I'm in Malta, and I have the same time zone as Paris, Italy, Netherlands, Germany. There's more, but I can't remember. But yeah. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. I promise I will do more streams like this, but it's not, I promise you, this is not the main focus of my channel, okay? This was just one-off because I hit 1K. I'll do another one of these in 2K. You know what, there's another shot here I didn't have. there's some more. Hang on. All right. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe. I play a lot of games, but I can't really give you a time or a schedule when I stream or what kind of games, because it's whatever I feel like, really. I like Minecraft. I love Resident Evil. I love survival horror in general. Narrative story games like The Walking Dead. I haven't streamed any of those, I know. But there's also going to be the Batman games. Anyway, I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. You're awesome. I'll see you next time.